The pre-K program here at New Albany-Floyd County School is amazing. We work on social and emotional growth first, and then we highlight academics second to get kids properly prepared for kindergarten. Some of the great benefits of having your kid come to New Albany-Floyd County School pre-K is that we work all day with your student on social and emotional growth, on how to sit on a carpet, how to use scissors, coloring, and actually how to talk to their friends, have a conversation, and work their conflict problems. We also do a lot of activities that are based around students' needs. So if they want to decorate a Christmas tree, we work on fine motor skills. Or if they're really into writing numbers or playing with clay, we have that opportunity to have all those types of supplies for them all day long and handy. And it makes it fun because they're actually picking what they want to do. They're learning as they like, and I think that's amazing.
We're very excited this year. We're going to be doing an open house with our pre-K at every one of our elementary schools. That'll be January the 18th at 5:30 to 6:30. We believe we have a high-quality pre-K program. We have great pre-K specialists at all of our schools who love kids, who love working with our preschoolers, who do a fantastic job of teaching them and preparing them for kindergarten.
This program is very, very beneficial as a pre-K program jumping into kindergarten because we're able to teach them things that they are going to do in kindergarten. I absolutely love pre-K. I think that it is the happiest place on earth. Anyone who comes into the preschool room, you're going to know that we're dancing, we're silly, we're having fun, we are having the best time. Pre-K really is that transition to kindergarten, but I think the fun aspect and that social emotional aspect is the best part of it. Building these connections and letting these kids know that they are loved and important and valued when they come to school is the best part of my job.